Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel SK Alpha Academy. Hope you are doing great. In today's video we are going to discuss the Deoband movement. The Deoband movement was an Islamic revivalist movement that began in 1866 in Deoband, Uttar Pradesh, India. It was launched after the failure of the War of Independence 1857, a time when Muslims were facing political decline, religious confusion and cultural pressure under British rule. Let's discuss the foundation of the movement. The movement started with the establishment of Darul Uloom Deoband in 1866. The Deoband movement began with the establishment of Darul Uloom Deoband in 1866 at Deoband, a small town in Saharanpur district of India. This movement emerged after the War of Independence of 1857, when Muslims faced political decline, social backwardness, and religious confusion under British rule. The main purpose of founding Darul Uloom Deoband was to protect Islamic beliefs, culture, and education from British rule and Christian missionary activities. Unlike the Aligarh movement, which promoted Western education, the Deoband movement focused on pure Islamic education based on the Quran and Sunnah. Let's have a look. Founders of Darul Uloom Deoband. Maulana Muhammad Qasim. Maulana Muhammad Qasim was the chief founder and guiding spirit of Darul Uloom Deoband. He was renowned Islamic scholars who believed that the survival of Muslims depended on strong religious education. He emphasized teaching of Quran, Hadith, Fiqh and Tafsir, moral and spiritual reforms of Muslims, independence from British government control. And Maulana Rashid Ahmad Gangohi. Maulana Rashid Ahmad Gangohi was another prominent founder and spiritual leader of the Deoband movement. He was a respected scholar and Sufi who focused on religious purification, personal piety and discipline, training of students in Islamic ethics. The establishment of Darul Uloom Deoband in 1866 laid the foundation of a powerful Islamic reform movement. Through the leadership of Maulana and Maulana Gangohi, the Deoband movement aimed to revive Islamic education, preserve Muslim identity and resist foreign culture influence. Let's have a look. Aims and objectives. The Deoband movement was a major Islamic reform movement that aimed to revive the religious, moral and social life of Muslims in the subcontinent. Its objectives were deeply rooted in the teachings of Islam and focused on protecting Islam identity during British rule. Revival of Islamic teachings. One of the primary aims of the Deoband movement was to revival of pure Islamic teachings. The scholars of Deoband emphasized Islam strictly based on the Quran, the Sunnah of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And second was his religious education. Another important objective was to provide proper Islamic education through a network of madrasas. Darul Uloom Deoband became the central institution for this purpose. A special emphasis was laid on Hadith, Fiqh, Hanafi school of thought, Tafsir, Quranic interpretation. Education was made free of cost so that even poor Muslims could gain religious knowledge and preserve their faith. And third one is preservation of Muslims' identity. To save Muslims from Christian missionary influence, Western culture dominance, strengthening Islamic values and moral character. Political awareness. Indirect. Although mainly religious, Deoband scholars opposed British rule. It also created political awareness among Muslims. The scholars opposed British imperialism, support freedom and resistance movements. Later, many Deoband scholars actively participated in politics and joined organizations like Jamiat Ulema Hind, contributing to the struggle against colonial rule. The Deoband movement played a crucial role in reviving Islamic teachings, speeding religious education, preserving Muslims' identity, and indirectly awakening political consciousness. Its impact was long-lasting and has shaped the religious and social life of Muslims in the subcontinent. Let's have a look impact and importance. The Deoband movement had a deep and long-lasting impact on the religious, educational and social life of Muslims in the subcontinent. Its importance can be understood through the following points. Production of Islamic scholars, ulama. One of the most significant impacts of the Deoband movement was that it produced thousands of well-trained Islamic scholars, ulama. These scholars spread authentic Islamic knowledge, served as teachers, preachers and religious leaders, guided Muslim society in religious matters. They played a vital role in keeping Islamic teachings alive during a difficult colonial period. Spread of madrasas. The Deoband movement established a wide network of madrasas across the subcontinent inspired by Darul Uloom Deoband. Hundreds of Islamic seminars were founded, a uniform curriculum, Dars-i-Nizami was followed, religious education reached even remote areas. This madrasa system strengthened Islamic learning at the grassroots level. And preservation of Islamic faith under British rule and influence on Islamic movements in South Asia. Let's conclude our discussion. The Deoband movement was a powerful religious reform movement that focused on Islamic educational and moral revival. It helps Muslims maintain their religious identity during a period of political and cultural crisis and remains influential even today. If you found helpful this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and feel free to comment. See you in the next video.